Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. I'm the second guy on this channel. My position will be more about prop firms and maybe more about the signals, because I'm the manager of the Telegram channel. If you didn't know, my name is Dimitri, I'm 18 years old. Maybe I look like 15, but just wait until my beard grows and then I should look like 18 again. On the screen you can see our 4 EAs. As you might know, we trade with EAs as there are multiple benefits to that. So in today's video I will just go over the EAs really quick, how we trade them. Also I will buy a $10,000 challenge on FTMO, and I will put the EAs on the challenge account and then we will trade it live. I will give live updates in the Telegram group every week, maybe every day. We will see how the day goes. And yeah, so that will be a little project that we're gonna do. We try to pass a $10,000 challenge with our robots. If you don't know what FTMO is, I will explain it later in the video. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. And if it's your first time, if you're coming from the Telegram group, I would appreciate a follow. We will upload a lot of videos about EAs, about how to code certain EAs. And yeah, I think it's totally worth it to give it a subscription, but it's up to you, of course. So yeah, let me get into the video. On the top left, on the gold chart, we have a breakout EA. That means between 2 and 7 AM there will be a range, and every single day gold will break out either to the top or to the bottom, and then it will execute a trade. I think the RR is a 1 to 1.5 if I'm not wrong. As you can see here, today we are in a sell, so that means the TP is below the market price, of course. So that's a 1 to 1.1 risk to reward, which is pretty nice. In the historical data it worked pretty well. That's why we have it on our live account, of course. These EAs are all tested in every single way. They have the best set files possible, in my opinion. Of course, you can never know, right? Because you don't know the future results. But we really tested them and we put the correct, or like the best performing set file on it. Not over optimized, don't worry. We looked at that as well, so yeah. On the top right, we have a RSI combined with a moving average that doesn't have any visuals on the chart itself, but it just looks at the RSI, and if the MA and the RSI are both showing the same signs of a market trend. So for example, if the RSI is oversold and the MA is below the market price, it will execute a long position. Of course, it has some criteria. It has a little bit more criteria than this, but that's basically the basic strategy. I know it sounds pretty basic, but it has a little bit more criteria in the code. Yeah, maybe we'll go over the code in the future, we will see. But for now, that's the basic explanation of this EA. In the bottom left, we have the GBP CAT chart on the 1 hour, where we trade a Bollinger Band EA. Bollinger Band looks like this. I'm gonna put a picture on the chart because it doesn't look like we have it here on the chart. And if we go back a little bit, let me go back. If you go back a little bit, as you can see, it trades pretty often, not gonna lie. As you can see here, it has a little bit of a smaller RR. It has a bigger stop loss than a TP. But I mean, that's just based on historical data, right? If a 1 to 5 would be profitable, we would trade a 1 to 5. If a 1 to 1 would be profitable, we would trade a 1 to 1, right? So we just take the one that works the best. And as you can see, it has a lot of trades. It trades mostly reversals. So as you can see, price was falling right here. It went into a long and it caught this small reversal right here, and then it exited out on the push up. So that's our third EA. They're all pretty basic because we think the simpler the strategy, the better. This may be not always the case, but I think if it's simple, if you can explain the strategy, you are 100% behind the strategy. Then if you just buy a random EA on the market and you have no idea what he's actually trading, that's called a black box, right? You don't know what you're trading, just have it on your account. I don't really like that. I like to know what my EAs are doing. So yeah, these are all manual strategies that are just automated. But as I said, that's the power of automation. We have now 4 manual strategies that are automated. And on the bottom right, we have a stochastic EA. I will show you a picture of a stochastic. It's on Euro USD. yeah, it's just a basic stochastic EA, to be honest. On the 1 hour chart, it doesn't trade that often. If we just take a look back, it doesn't trade that often. This is the 1 hour chart, by the way. But if it does, it has pretty big trades, so it's not just a small market move. So look at this trade. This is really big. This is the 1 hour chart, right? So this was a long right here, and this was a really big long short right here. And yeah, so that's pretty basic as well. As I said, all of our EAs are basic. Maybe we'll do something more complicated in the future, but for now it works great. So yeah, I think we are ready for a prop firm challenge because our live account is doing well. So let me just go over to FTMO. So as you can see, this is FTMO. FTMO is here to provide you with capital. If you so let's say you buy a challenge there for like $10,000, you have to go through 2 phases. By the way, I make this explanation really quick, so because I think most of the people already know what FTMO is. But yeah, FTMO, if you pass phase 1 and if you pass phase 2, by the way, in phase 1 you need 10% profit, and on phase 2 you need 5% profit. If you pass both, you get your funded account. After, you have to verify your ID, of course, and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much basically what a FTMO challenge is. You have a lot of rules, such as daily drawdown of 5%, overall drawdown of 10%. But if you have a good risk management, you should not have a problem with that. You have unlimited time, so you can take as long as you want. You have news rules, you have holding time rules, such as don't hold over weekends and stuff like that. But they also have a swing account option, where we gonna buy the swing account, of course, because we want to try to trade news and we wanted to hold over weekend. As we have EAs, of course, we can't really control that. So I think that's a little explanation of what FTMO really is. If you want a deeper explanation, I think there are better YouTube videos out there for that, because in today's video we want to buy a challenge and actually set the EAs on the challenge account. And yeah, I would say we're gonna get straight into it. Let's go to the client area. Let me log in really quick and then let's go through the buying process. So as you can see here, FTMO, I already traded with FTMO. As you can see, I had a $100,000 account. I would say we're gonna go for a new FTMO challenge right here on the top left. And I would say we're gonna take Swiss francs because it's my currency, because I'm Swiss, right? And as you can see, FTMO has a special promotion. And as you can see, there's a special promotion because the $10,000 challenge is discounted right now. And here, as I said, we have to go with the FTMO swing. Why is that? Because we want to trade news, and we want to trade and we want to hold over the weekend because we have EAs, right? We can't really close positions over the weekend because it will hurt the trading flow of the EAs, because that's not how they were backtested, right? That's not how they were backtested, correct? So yeah, it's just better. We have a lower leverage, but that's fine. Payment currency will be USD because I will pay with crypto. And as you can see, it's half the price, which is almost half the price, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna confirm and pay, of course. And yeah, let me just quickly. As you can see, we have the $10,000 Swiss francs account, 10,000 Swiss franc account. Account type is swing. Platform is MT4. Joining currency is CF, which is my currency. So yeah, we'll pay it out with checkout.com. You can see just a couple of minutes later, the account is paid off and it's ready to set up. If you go on the account overview, we can see the FTMO challenge right here. Let's start the FTMO challenge. Let's see what happens. So here we go. Our 10,000 Swiss franc challenge is set up. By the way, 10,000 Swiss francs is about I think 11.5k USD, so it's a little bit more, yeah, because the currency is a little bit stronger than the USD. So yeah, here we go. I will set it up on the VPS really quick, and I will see you guys on the VPS. So here we are on the VPS. We'll just really quick log into the account. So we are on FTMO server 4. So we just go here on file. I think it's on English. I have it on German because I'm from Switzerland, of course. So you go on Datei or on file and then open a trading account. Then you get to this folder right here. You can insert your server over here and then the FTMO broker should come up. So you go on next. Then you're gonna click on connect with trading account. So you're gonna put the login right here and the master password as well, and then choose the right server. We are on server 4, as you remember. So as you can see, here's our 10,000 Swiss francs trading account. So we'll set up the EAs really quick. So here we go. The challenge is on. We'll see how it performs. There's a possibility that we're gonna lose the challenge. As always, I'm not saying this is the holy grail. I'm not saying we will profit 10% every single month. It would be nice, of course. Here we go. 4 EAs are on the 10,000 Swiss francs challenge account from FTMO. I will post daily or probably weekly updates in the Telegram group. So if you wanna see that, I will put the link to the group in the description, so make sure to join up. So yeah, I will also, maybe I will actually make a YouTube series where we go over the performance every single week, so you guys on YouTube also see the performance. So I hope you guys like this little insider to see which EAs we are trading, which EAs you guys get the signals from. I think it's pretty good. It's a little transparency video, so I showed you what strategies are behind the signals, so you can trust the signals a bit more. But maybe not trust the signals more, but maybe understand how the signals are operated. There's automatically sent out from a IC Markets account on a other VPS that is connected with an automatic signal sender. So every time a EA executes a trade, it will send out to the Telegram group. So that's how it works. And I can already tell you that there's a website in the working where you guys will be able to get these EAs for absolutely free. And there will be also an option for you to request us to code your strategy. So if you have a request of a strategy, or you have a strategy in mind that you want to automate it, you can request, you can send us an email and we will look if you can automate it. And yeah, that will all be coming in the next couple videos, I think. So if you're interested in EAs, in this little series right here, or in coding tutorials, make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe, because my friend that is also on this channel will post a coding tutorial pretty soon, I think for beginners. So it makes sense to subscribe right now to not miss that. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys know a little bit who is behind the Telegram channel. So it's me and my friend, of course. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, please let me know feedback in the comments or via a Telegram DM. I appreciate it. And yeah, have a good day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.